Mother Nature's order for natural selection is survival of the fittest. Of all her creations, birds are among the most versatile. There are over 10,000 species of birds that inhabit the entire planet. Chickens make up 70% of the bird population today and are humans' most valued birds as a source for food. These perfected animals are adaptable because they possess feathers, hollow bones, flight, beaks, warm blood with a four-chambered heart, the ability to lay eggs, communication, bipedalism, and millions of years of evolution. To understand the chicken's evolution, we must understand the evolution of feathered flight. Let's rewind back to before the chicken, before birds, and before the feather. We'll trace Mother Nature's flaps to the chicken from 230 to 66 million years ago. 230 million years ago, dinosaurs evolved from reptiles. Dinosaurs become warm-blooded and develop feathers as the cold-blooded reptiles continue to evolve. Scientists estimate that feathers date back 200 million years. Feathers originally may have been for insulation and breeding eggs. They may be for sexual display and assisting with terrestrial locomotion. Roughly 40 million years later, feathers grew to be wings as a mode of aerial locomotion. Through natural selection, it is possible multiple experiments of feathered flight evolves independently in birds and their close relatives. Some are gliders of the sky. Some feathered dinosaurs may have membraned wings, similar to the wings of the bat. Like chickens, some dinosaurs have wings, but flight is limited. The commonly known pterosaur, or pterodactyl, is not a dinosaur at all. It is a membrane-winged reptile that lives alongside the dinosaurs. Unlike chickens, many have teeth and long tails. Many feathered dinosaur arms do not evolve into wings at all. Some evolve feathers on their legs that appear to be a sort of wing. Of all genetic diversities and evolutionary lineages in the dinosaur, only the bird survives throughout time. The fossil record gives fragments in time of birds' evolution. Scientists are continuously piecing together these fragments. To their research, we know that the birds of today are dinosaurs of yesterday. The distinction between the two is only a matter of
extinction.